Just got caught self-pleasuring by my stepdad. I'm literally freaking out right now, don't know what to do. This was like 5 minutes ago. I was in the living room couch watching pee and self-pleasuring. In my house the kitchen, living and dining room are connected, and our front door is by the kitchen. I had music blasting loudly on the TV and I didn't hear the door open. I was home alone, by the way. I'm not entirely sure what he saw, but luckily I managed to get my pants up and then greeted me and walked past me, giving me a weird look on his way to his room. I'm not sure if he saw what I was doing, and I'm mostly freaking out because I'm scared he'll tell my mom. For context, my mom is super strict, and 2 years ago, she caught me watching pee in my room. Wasn't even self-pleasuring, just watching out of curiosity. Well, since then, every night at 10 she takes my phone, iPad, controllers, keyboard and mouse, as well as switches off the Wi-Fi. It took me a really long time to earn her trust, and make her not think I have some type of pee addiction. But if he tells her I'm screwed, this'll mean no privacy, no electronics, no money, nothing. I swear I don't have a pee addiction or anything, but I'm young, even I need to do my thing every so often, which is obviously something my mom can't relate to.